are at Earth Fair, and Misty and I are in our matching Hufflepuff outfits. I got this one for Christmas, and that was my birthday present. So I got treats today, so I'm going to be training all just with verbal rewards, and so it'll be a good practice to see how she does. You ready? Let's go. Left. Right girl. Good girl. Very nice. You got through that. Good girl. Right? Thanks for watching.